Welcome to Layn Tik University. The question of the day is, can you make money on Turo while doing Turo? So if you're a Turo host and you're basically on Turo, you're renting your cars on Turo, can you make money? Yes, it might sound a bit redundant, but it makes sense. Think of it this way. If you're a Turo host and that's your livelihood, or even if it's a side hustle, can you make money? Yes, the answer is yes. But the way you have to go about it is what I would strongly recommend. If I had to give one tip, there's many tips, and that's why you're here watching this. Start reverse engineering and going on Turo and looking at other Turo hosts in your territory and seeing what they do. Learn from them. I don't care how experienced or inexperienced you are. Look at what colors of cars are they. How many cars does the Turo host have? What are their reviews? How long have they had the car? Have they had the car for at least a year or two? Do they have good reviews? Do they have bad reviews? And this is how you start picking cars for yourself. And if you already have your car, how you start emulating good habits. Look at successful hosts in your territory. It's so simple. You can do this for free. Just log into Turo as a Turo guest, review Turo hosts, like, pretend you're a Turo guest for the moment, and look at different cars. I'll go through 100 different cars. But if you don't have that time, at least 10 to 20. But I'll do at minimum 100. But if you don't have that time, 10 to 20, and look at what they're doing and try to emulate good habits. The way you know this, if they have 5 stars, like if you look at my profile, listed below, I have 5-star reviews for the last 2 years. I've been on the platform for almost 3 years now. I have nothing but good reviews. I've been renting cars for almost 5 years now. I've been on Turo for over 2 years, and had nothing but good success. So follow people like me or other people that have 5-star reviews where you see a transaction list of different good reviews, and that's how you know if you can do this yourself and how to emulate good habits. Very important to do this. Love you guys. Welcome to the channel. Like, subscribe, share. Carly out.